Good everyone, my name is Graphics. Today we want to study an aspect of Tinker drawing, which is line division. But in this case, we'll be dividing the lines into ratios and proportion. The question goes like this. It said, divide a line 200 millimeter in the ratio of 4:5, 3, 5, 2, 1. What this simply means that you divide a line into 4 plus 5, 9, plus 3, 12, plus 5, 17, plus 2, 19, plus 1, 20. It means divide the line into 20 equal parts. That is the first thing you do. So what you do here is, you draw a line of 200 millimeter. So draw a faint line first, right? And you take an initial point, let's say this point. That will be my point A, right? And I will measure 200. So from 0 to 200 is 200 millimeter. Since I'm starting from 1, I'm ending at 21, right? So that is a line of what? 200 millimeter. Now when you do that, we're having this, right? This is the line. Now I'm taking it from this point straight down to this point. That is my 200 millimeter line. So at any given radius, I'll draw an inclined line at an angle, any given angle, right? And I'll draw it this way, right? At any length. Now I'll take my compass like this. I may just measure 10 millimeter here. I measure 10 millimeter here. From 1 to 2 here. And I'll place it here. This is the place I'm placing it is 0. And this is 1. This is 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, right? So that is 20 line. All this line you're saying will be faint. This is the only thick line, AB here, that we'll have here, our AB. Now what I will simply do here, I will join the last point 20, to my last point here, point B here. You can see, I'll take my set square and I'll join it this way, right? So in doing that, I'll have this, I'll join it, faint line, and when I've joined it, I'm not going to move it anymore. I'll take my other set square and I'm going to place it at the base of the set square. Let me move it up so you see what I'm talking about. So I'm going to place it at the base this way, right? So you ensure that it is well aligned at this end here, as you can see. Then I'll place it on the base of my set square so it can move this way. That again, you ensure that it is well aligned with that line. So I have the same level with the line, and I'll start moving it like this. You can see I'm going to hold this one down, and I'll start moving this way. So if I move it, taking this line as a reference point, you see, they're on the same level. So I'll move it to the next point. I'll take my front line, I'll join it, I'll move to the next point, I'll join it, I'll move to the next point, I'll join it to the next point, I'll join it to the next point, I'll join it to the next one, join it. So I'll continue that way, one step at a time. Faint line, one step at a time. 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 Can you see that? This is what I'm having. I have successfully joined this, right? And if you look at this very well, we are told here that the line is in this ratio 4:5:3:5:2:1. So I'll start. This is 0. The next one will now be 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the fourth point here. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'll tick in it. Then the next one is 5. So this point I've taken is 0. I'll move again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll tick in it. So the next one is 0. This is 0. The next one is 3. Right? I'll move 1, 2, 3. The next one is 0. This is 0. The next one is what? 5. I'll move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll take in it. This is 0. The next one is 2. 1, 2. I'll take in it. This is 0. The next one is 1. 1. I'll take in it. So this is the ratio of what? 5, 4 is to 5 is to 3 is to 5 is to 2, then is to 1. So this is what we just did. So if you benefited from this video, don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.